Hi, my name is Prab Lotey. I'm with Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West. Today I'm going to talk about a very unique car that we have in our pre-owned inventory. It's a G-Wagon, but it's not a normal G-Wagon. Let me show you what is this car all about. So this 2016 G-Wagon, it's a G65. And G65 has 6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, so that gives you an engine output of 621 horsepower and 738 pound-foot of torque. You got a beautiful V12 badging, 2 sets of rims and tires. Right now it's on the winters. Inside, this car is as good as brand new. It has less than 35,000 kilometers on it. Designo diamond stitch leather seats, AMG carbon fiber, AMG specific flat bottom steering wheel on it. Also a pre-installed dash camera on the windscreen for the safety. This is one of the few rare G65s in such excellent condition, such low kilometer. The car is almost in brand new condition. If you want a piece of history, a part of your collection, then this is the right vehicle for you. Again, my name is Prab. I'm with Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West. If you have any questions or you would like to see this car in person, give me a call. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.